In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Samsung Portable SSD T7 on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of the T7 SSD that you have from Samsung, you will be able to use it in conjunction with your iPhone. So if you have the Touch model, if you have the Shield model, or if you have the standard one, you will be able to connect all of them to any iPhone and transfer files between the SSD and your iPhone. So in order to do this, you need to use the cables that arrived with your SSD T7. So out of the box, it will include a USB-C to USB-C and USB-C to USB-A cable. So the USB-C end goes into the T7 like so, and the other end has to go into your iPhone. So if you have a lightning port, you will need an adapter like this one. So this adapter will convert the USB-C from the T7 cable into lightning. Regardless of which ports you have available, just make sure that you are able to establish a connection. Use any adapters that will fix problems with the connection, and as long as you are able to use cables to connect the T7 into the port of the iPhone, you are basically good to go. The T7 is fully compatible with iOS, so now if you open the Files app, immediately upon connecting it, it will be detectable here. So you will see this little drive icon with the name T7, T7 Touch, T7 Shield, and the amount of storage that you have. When you tap on this, you will be able to see its contents. Of course, if it is a new one, it is going to be fully empty. Now, you can drag any files that you have available on your iPhone, so documents, anything that you downloaded, images, photos, videos. When you go over to their settings, you will find the move or copy options, and then you can choose to move them into the SSD or copy them into the SSD. You can also do the opposite, where you have files inside of the SSD and you transfer them to your iPhone. Regardless of how you choose to use the SSD, you will be able to transfer files between them. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Samsung Portable SSD T7 on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.